My name is Jocelyn Humphries. I'm a high school teacher in upstate New York, and I would like to become a Google Certified Innovator. I teach first-year programming, and for intro coding skills, games are a great way to teach and an awesome way to learn the basics. When students master more complex skills, they can read, process, and write data to create mobile business applications. Our computer game design course teaches basic skills in the fall as a prerequisite to our mobile business apps course in the spring. When we originally designed these classes, it pulled really well with all different types of students. But when it came time to enroll in game design, we got the same students everybody gets, so we talked to the missing 70%. They said, I don't want to put on a t-shirt and design games to blow up a fake world. I want to put on a business suit and write apps to save the real world. The different motivations among my students is obvious, but that doesn't make the wall any lower to designing authentic and age-appropriate projects for high school business students with no prior experience. Even incorporating a tiny database in a drag-and-drop environment is a daunting task for a beginner of any age. There are a huge number of strong STEM students in the missing 70% who envision themselves as respected professionals in a career that relies on mastery. I'm on a mission to motivate those students to bust through those barriers to entry. I'd like to work with a team to create meaningful business-themed coding projects for the other 70%.